Good morning everyone. Today topic prostaglandins and leukotrienes. These prostaglandins, thromboxanase A2 and leukotrienes are nothing but eicosanoids. Okay, these eicosanoids are 20 carbon atoms. Usually it is present in every cell. Okay, this is from arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid will synthesize prostaglandins, thromboxanase and leukotrienes. Biosynthesis. These phospholipids will be converted to arachidonic acid by phospholipase A enzyme. This is a rate limiting enzyme which is helps of enzyme cyclooxygenase. Okay, this is cyclooxygenase pathway and this is lipoxygenase pathway. Cyclooxygenase pathway, it will go to and synthesize PGI2, PGE2 and D2 and F2 alpha and thromboxanase A2. Cyclooxygenase enzymes are three types are there. Cyclooxygenase enzyme 1 and 2 and 3. The cyclooxygenase enzyme 1 serves housekeeping function. Example, gastroprotection. Cyclooxygenase 2 enzyme constitute in brain, endothelial and kidney. It will participate in inflammation. Cyclooxygenase enzyme 3 not involved in inflammation, but paracetamol targets cyclooxygenase 3 enzyme. This leukotrienes will synthesize from arachidonic acid, which helps of the enzyme 5-lipoxygenase pathway. This will synthesize first leukotriene A, then it will synthesize leukotriene B, C, D, E. Prostaglandins and thromboxanase. In 1930s, it was found in that human semen contains a substance that contracts uterine smooth muscles. As the substance that was found to originate in prostate, they called prostaglandins. But it was later found to be produced in many tissues. Prostaglandins having the receptors G protein coupled receptors. It will act on stimulatory and inhibitory type of reactions. This PGD2, E2, F2 alpha and I2 and thromboxanase A2. Like 5 types of different receptors are there. These different receptors are present in different organs and will be give different actions. Coming to actions, cardiovascular system, PGE2 and PGI2 are vasodilators, where PGF2 alpha and thromboxanase A2 are vasoconstrictor agent. Epoprostenol is a prostaglandin analog, PGI2 analog, can be used for the treatment of pulmonary hypertension. PGE2 increases capillary permeability. PGE2 and PGI2 keeps the ductus arteriosus patent. In some congenital heart diseases, it becomes essential to keep ductus arteriosus patent before surgery. For this condition, epoprostenol, alprostadil can be given intravenously. If ductus arteriosus fails to close at birth, NSAIDs like aspirin and indomethacin are given to close it. Coming to the GIT, most of prostaglandins and thromboxanase stimulate gastrointestinal smooth muscles. PGE2 and I2 decrease the acid secretion and increase mucus production and mucosal blood flow. All these factors decreases the chances of peptic ulcer. So, these drugs are useful in peptic ulcer. Example, misoprostol will be useful in peptic ulcers. NSAID induced peptic ulcer will be useful. And PGE2 and PGF2 alpha causes diarrhea and Kolki, pain in the abdomen. These symptoms are important side effects of these drugs. Coming to the third one, airway, PGE2 and PGI2 relax the bronchial smooth muscles. PGI2 and E2 bronchodilators and A2 and F2 alpha are bronchoconstrictor agents. COX inhibitors like aspirin causes more production of leukotrienes. Aspirin can result in precipitation of asthma attacks because leukotrienes are the main bronchoconstrictor mediators in asthma. Coming to the platelets, platelets action in thromboxanase A2 induces platelet aggregation and thromboxanase I2 inhibits the platelet aggregation. Here A for remember aggregation, here I for remember inhibit the platelet aggregation. In uterus, PGE2 and PGF2 alpha contract human uterus, which is more sensitive to prostaglandins during pregnancy. PGE2 and PGF2 alpha are more powerful uterine stimulants. Analogs, prostaglandin analogs are dinoprost and carbiprost, useful in abortion. Misoprostol and methotrexate and mifepristone, these three drugs combination are using induction of abortion in first few weeks of pregnancy. This prostaglandin PGE2 causes softening of cervix, cervical ripening during labor. Useful drugs are prostaglandin analogs, dinoproston or misoprostol, useful in cervical ripening during labor. And carbapost, prostaglandin analog, can be used to control postpartum hemorrhage. Prostaglandins are responsible for pain during menstruation, and NSAIDs like mefenamic acid are useful for relieving this pain. In kidneys, PGE2 and PGI2 causes renal vasodilatation, natriuresis and increased water clearance due to inhibition of the action of ADH. These agents also facilitate renin release. Loop diuretics act partially by increasing the stimulation of COX. Therefore, NSAIDs attenuate the diuretic action of these drugs. Coming to CNS action, PGE1 and E2 are pyogenic and causes fever. NSAIDs acts as an antipyretic agent by inhibiting these prostaglandins. In nerves, prostaglandins sensitize sensory nerve endings to pain, and intradermal injection causes pain. They have a role in the genesis of inflammation. In the bone, prostaglandins stimulates bone resorption and formation, increases bone turnover. In PGF2 alpha, prostaglandins lowers intraocular pressure by increasing the uveoscleral outflow. Latanoprost is a prostaglandin analog, is being used as a eye drops for glaucoma. Coming to adverse drug reactions depend on the type of prostaglandin, dose and route. They cause diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, fever, hypotension and pain due to uterine contractions are common. Prostaglandin analogs are used in therapeutically misoprostol, gemiprost, rioprostil, alprostidil, enprostil, dinoproston, carbiprost, latanoprost, dinoprost, ipoprostinol. These are used. Coming to uses, gynecological uses and non-gynecological uses. Gynecological uses, abortion, facilitation of labor, cervical priming, control the postpartum hemorrhage. Misoprostol along with methotrexate and mifepristone useful in abortion and facilitation of labor. Cervical priming useful drug is dinoproston and misoprostol will soften the cervix. Carbipost can be useful to control postpartum hemorrhage. And to maintain the patency of ductus arteriosus, useful drug is ipoprostinol. And prevention of platelet aggregation also useful drug is ipoprostinol, PGI2 analog. In open angle glaucoma, useful drug is latanoprost. And peptic ulcer, misoprostol is most specific drug for the treatment of peptic ulcer due to chronic NSAIDs use. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs use. Coming to the leukotrienes, leukotrienes are synthesized from arachidonic acid with the help of the enzyme 5-lipoxygenase. This enzyme must associate with the 5-lipoxygenase activating protein for leukotriene synthesis. First step is the production of leukotriene A2 and this will precursors from which B4, C4, D4, E4 and F4 will be derived. Also C4 and D4 also known as slow reacting substance of anaphylaxis. This coming to the actions, corticosteroids decreases the production of leukotrienes by inhibiting phospholipase A. Lipoxygenase inhibitors is xylitol. Leukotrienes receptors antagonists are Jabber-Lucas, Montelukast. Coming to this individual actions, leukotrienes causes vasoconstriction, edema, bronchospasm and also causes wheal and flare. These leukotrienes are importantly plays a role in inflammation, including rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis, ulcerative colitis. Leukotriene antagonists are Montelukast and Jabber-Lucas. These two drugs are useful in bronchial asthma. These drugs are inhibit the C4 and D4 receptors. Thank you for listening.